This is a little more on the basic 2-5-1 exercise routine we're adding right now. Right now, we're using the backing track from Jon MacLennan on YouTube. I'm going to look for a way to give him a little more credit in the description, but Jon MacLennan, he and Quist have several really good backing tracks that they've uploaded there. So give him some likes and some subscribes. Totally worth it. What we're going to do is more of the warm-up routine that we've done lately in lesson. So I'm going to start this at about 35 seconds, and then we're going to run through the scale. We'll run through some diatonic thirds, and then some phrases. And this is just to get you started. So we're going to go 34 seconds over here. Really nice sounding track too. There's an A minor 7, D7, G major 7. First few times you're playing the chords, you can go A minor, D, and that would be right. But I like the A minor 7, G major 7, and the baritone. Of course, this works on guitar too. Scale. Quarter notes. Nice and easy. The fun part of this is you use songs, whatever things you want to try in there. It's jazz, find your jazz with it. Sometimes it's not about how we play it right, it's how we play it wrong. Make a mistake twice, you call it jazz, you know, all those things. The idea is that you don't worry too much about when you're practicing, playing it exactly right. You're listening, playing a few things, trying some things, do some things maybe you hadn't thought of before. Have fun, guys.